Why that bird keep hitting my window? Like, that's crazy. And when I was in the house, it was doing that. Maybe it's seeing the reflection. I closed the blinds, but maybe, I put them down a little bit. What? And I heard that all while I was in the house. I know that birds can be God's messengers. It keep flying up on my window. I put a bird sound out there. Lord have mercy. Why does the bird keep going up to the window like that? Is it the reflection on the window where he see the tree? I don't know. I'll tell you. Y'all, come tell me what is wrong with this bird. What is wrong with him? Watch. Oh my goodness. I thought it was because of the reflection. It is not. Where are you, bird? Where are you? I just seen you. So I had to take that out my window because I thought I heard it in the house. That's the window open, shaking those. I don't know why this bird is losing his marbles. I don't know. But like I said, I had that in the window. And I took it out the window. And because I was thinking maybe it thought it was a branch, you know, a tree branch or something. But this bird had been flying up to my window for hours. I didn't know what it was. I thought, you know, I thought the branches outside were overgrown and now they're hitting my window, but that's not it. Where are you, bird? Oh, now I'm recording, you don't want to show up. Y'all, I don't know what's up with this dang on bird. I need to put something reflective on the window. Let's see if I have anything that reflects light the opposite way. Girl. And you know what? The very last, this is crazy. The very last time I had an encounter with a bird like that, I do believe it was an omen, you know, trying to warn me about something that was getting ready to happen. But I pray to God this is for some good news. Yes. I don't know. I'm trying to wait for it to come back. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna take it as a good sign. No weapons formed against me shall prosper. Listen, it has to be something good. And I just told y'all how I was feeling, what was that, Friday? And today is Easter, so I don't know what that little birdie is up to. But I'll try to catch him again. I pray he's bringing some good news, I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you that much. Come on back here so I can try to get you some help and see if people know what's wrong with you. Lord. I need to get them dead roses up out of here and clean up all them leaves on the ground and all that stuff in the house I'm talking about. Anyway, I guess our friend is gone, or maybe she'll come back later. But anyway, I'm praying it's something good. Because like I said the last time, I do believe it was some type of omen. The last weird encounter I had with a bird. It was nothing good about what came next. But I'm praying the opposite will be true now. Yeah. Yeah. Like I said 2 days ago, it just feels like a blessing is on its way. So I received that in the name of Jesus. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. He knows the plans that he has for me. Plans to prosper me and not harm me. Yes, come through, God. Come through with the blessings. Yes, on this 2025 Easter. Happy Easter, y'all. Anyway, our friend may come back later. I don't know. But Lord, if there's something I need to know, let me know. Let me know. Yeah. Anyway. And that's where I be sitting y'all at, right there. But I normally have my elephant in the window too. Yeah. Let me actually put it back in the window. And my plants have, I actually didn't move them this winter. I normally move them to one side. I actually did move it. What am I saying? I moved it, but then I put it back too soon and it was still freezing outside. So it was like hitting below here. So I think this was reflecting like a branch earlier. That's what I'm assuming. And honey, that thing kept slapping up against the window. Like, here are the marks from the bird. I don't know if you can see all of them marks, but it's a whole bunch of marks. See? Marks from that bird from today. Yeah. And when he noticed me, he or she noticed me, she just stopped. Yeah, and then she got to walking on their property over there. Y'all, listen. I don't know. I really don't know what to make of that. Anyway. And yes, I know it's 420. So y'all probably looking at the date and this. No, honey, I don't partake in any of those activities, not for recreational or even medicinal. But dang, what's happening? Am I tweaking? Okay, y'all, I hear him. Listen. Watch. You see him? What is your problem? What is going on, girl? Little birdie. The sun went down and it's not reflecting off my window anymore. So what's the problem? What in the world? I just heard it. What is your problem? Rockin' Robin? He just flew up there. And my door cam catches it, but it's not this clear. Y'all see him? What in the heck? What is wrong with this bird? I mean, you gonna give yourself a concussion, homie. What is the problem? Do you have a message or what? Bring me blessings, okay? Nothing but blessings. I receive it in Jesus' name. Where you go? Look at him. I've been here 4 years. This has never happened to my acknowledgement.
And I don't want you to hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself, buddy.
What y'all think? I don't even know. I don't know what to think. Because the reflection is not that strong like it was earlier when the sun was out. So I don't know. I need to clean my windows, I know. Yeah. What do you want? What is it? You can't be just barking up the same tree if you think this is a reflection of a branch or a tree. I don't get it. Anyway, let me go mind my business. Come through blessings. Come through blessings. Come through. Here she go again. He, she, whatever. See what I'm saying? What is that all about? What is that all about? I ain't got time to be. That bird gonna be laid flat out. All them damn head injuries. When I wake up in the morning, go outside. What are you doing, homie? Let me see if I can put something. Oh, and every time I come here, it leaves. What do you want? What you want? Look at all the marks. That's from that bird today. Today. All of those marks. All those marks is from that bird today. Granted, the window wasn't clean, but it didn't have all of those marks like that. It's time to move. Apparently so. It's been time to move. What's your message, little birdie? What you want me to know? All right, I'm about to go back and do what I was doing now. If you got something to say, say it. All right, now I'm leaving. I don't know, maybe it's still looking at the reflection. I don't know.
And it's like, I don't want to keep sitting here looking at him hurt himself. I don't know how to help him. Let me figure something out.
A hard head gonna make us soft. What are you doing? Like,
you are really gonna hurt yourself, girl.
Come on, blessings. Okay. Let's try that again. Come on, blessings.
Why are you doing that to you? Why are you hurting your body like that? It's such a cute bird. I know you banging your body up. Please stop.
I promise you the grass is not greener on the other side.
Come on now, you know you're doing too much. Don't even do it. Why are you doing that?
You're going to have Peter coming for me.
It's that one damn bird. Y'all tell me what this means so I can go on back to my business. Is he bleeding? Lord. What in the world is it? Let me put something black up to the window. I don't know. I'm tired of trying to figure it out. I'm tired of being grossed out by it too. Let me put this pillow up here. Oh boy, oh boy. Let me turn my plant around just in case this thing falls. Let's see. I know he was going higher than that pillow, but well, that didn't work, huh, little homie? I need to clean the window. Girl. Lord have mercy.
This is not okay.
I think I'm going to consider putting something up like the decals or something to block that reflection. Or is this God sending me a message? What is this?
Okay, so I turned the light on. I know y'all laughing at me. Those that know about this, y'all probably laughing your butts off. But I don't know anything about this. So I turned the light on and I put 2 pillows there. And let's see if he come back. Yeah, that might have did it. I don't know. It's crazy. I need to pick up all them leaves down there from that tree and that those roses. Yeah, I went to go mind my business, and then I kept hearing that thump on my window again, like knock knock. Girl, I'm trying to tell you, blessings are coming your way. Well, just say that and go. Don't keep coming back, bird. Lord have mercy. Anyway. Girl, and she is back. She is that, because I know it has to do something with this damn reflection. Because when the sun was out earlier, it was like, it looked like another tree. I'm just gonna consider it to be that. And then I closed the blinds. Okay, so it feels like it's flying up higher and higher now. So that has to be what it is, right, y'all? It sees the reflection. See how high it's coming up now? And before it was lower. And then earlier today it was lower because the sun was going down. So whatever. Yeah, that has to be what it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this. Ooh. Yeah, that ain't do nothing. Yeah. Poor bird. You gonna hurt yourself. Go fly up another tree, honey. All these trees in this neighborhood. Come on. Anyway. Y'all. Y'all, now it's flying all the way up here. So that's what it is. It's the reflection. Now that I done put this black in there, it's not reflecting off of those trees. Watch. It's gonna come up higher. He keep hitting, I see him. He's hitting low too, but I did just see him all the way up here. I even played sounds on YouTube to scare the little bird away. Like, go to another tree. You so determined. You so persistent. You gonna kill yourself. If you gotta die, you gonna die trying. Come on now. You better relocate. You better pivot. Oh, God. You really gonna hurt yourself over this. All right, Will. Oops, that's too bright. All right, I'm about to turn these lights off. You're gonna have to do whatever you're doing, honey. I'm trying to help you. Go south, honey. Go south, fly south. Them windows look terrible. Y'all hear him knocking? He was, I promise, flying up higher.
Who's that peeking in my window?
I'm about to go upstairs so I don't have to hear his butt. And it's only one bird. It looked like to me, your homies would tell you that ain't a tree. Yeah, that's it. Let me turn off this darn light. I seen it eating earlier on the ground. I was like, is that bird sick? But the bird is not sick. He's just seeing reflections. Anyway.
A messenger from God or my grandmother coming to visit me. No, she ain't gonna keep bumping into stuff like that. No, not my grams.
Good night, y'all. Y'all hear him? I mean, at some point, you have to know that that is not a tree. You don't see that anymore. You gonna wait till the sun go down? Anyway, I'm tired of talking to myself about this. Oh my goodness. Lottie-dottie. That bird needs to find some people that love birds and get out there and you know, take care of it. That's funny, I love birds. Well, my nickname is Birdie, and one of my tattoos is of a bird. And it says unapologetically free, and it has 2 birds. Yeah. And my daughter has the same tattoo I have. We actually went together and got tattoos. Anyway, yeah. I heard that knocking all day, and like I said, I thought it was just, you know, the branches are overgrown and they, you know, riding up against my window because it's so windy outside. I'm like, the maintenance people gonna have to come through here and take care of this, you know, but that's not what it was. It's this damn dodo bird. Anyway, I'm coming. Y'all see him and hear him. Oh my gosh, he hitting that thing hard. It's funny because I seen him all the way up here and I was like, that has to be, I'm gone.